Okay, that's another one completed. This is a Porsche 718 Spyder in Miami blue. I originally thought you could call it a Boxster Spyder, but apparently not. It's just a Spyder, so a standalone thing on its own. Keep all you Porsche boys happy. Miami blue, usual pre-wash, decontamination, clay bar, 2 stages of polishing. No, it's only done sort of 10,000 miles. It was a little bit scratchy, nothing too much to worry about. It's got Dark Matter series of the Titan coatings, so the new versions of their coatings on this one. It's got Titan Zeus Dark Matter, then Titan TX 145 Hydro, which is their new coating on top of Zeus, followed by Ultra V3. Wheels have been removed, so the wheels have been off. They've been decontaminated, clay barred. They've got Dark Matter Pyro. Let's have the brake calipers. Roof's all been deep cleaned. It's had Renovo to clean. It's got 2 layers of Fabsil Gold. All the glass has got Dark Matter version of Hyperglass on. Kick strips have all been machine polished. Mats have all been steam cleaned. All the Alcantara, the wheel was very, very flat. So the Alcantara and the wheel and the gear knob have all been rejuvenated. Leather's been conditioned. All the plastic trim pieces, so the air intakes on the side. Rear diffuser, all the plastic pieces on the front. Titan Flexus. Exhaust tips, Titan Pyro Dark Matter. It's been a long old job, this one. This one's 30 plus hours I think that's gone into this one. All done now though. Got brilliant levels of protection now. The Dark Matter series of the Titan coatings offers absolutely amazing water behaviour and protection qualities. Obviously will be well looked after by its owner. I think Andy's 5th car I've done for him. All good to go. Miami blue looking stunning.